think this is the most peaceful thing I've ever done. Wait, there is one thing. Back in 2012, I was in Law 6. We went for this camping trip, 1 week camping trip, at this place called Outward Bound in Chimanimani. On the last day of this camping trip, we had to do this thing called solo, where we had to spend 24 hours by ourselves, like by yourself, not with your group of people or anything, but by yourself. It was kind of scary. So they left us there. We didn't have any phones, we couldn't have iPods, we couldn't have anything electronic. They just gave us food, a small tent, and that's it. And a book, and a notepad, and a pen, so that we could use the time to reflect and think, yada yada. That was the scariest thing I've ever done. But looking back, it was really cool. Like, I actually enjoyed how scared I was. I remember I think the evening that my group went, there were reports of monkeys. Was it monkeys? I think it was hyenas. I can't remember, but there was some animal that was chasing. Wait, I think someone's in the pool. Are they swimming in this thing? Why would you swim in this? Okay, we're gonna pass them later. I'm pretty sure there are no crocodiles. Like, that's something you'd see signs of along the river. Right? Yeah.
Hello, my friend.
Hey, what's up?
What are you making?
Just a video.
Are you a kidnapper?
No, I'm not a kidnapper. But good, stay away from random people, eh? Do you guys swim in this river?
Yes.
Wow, aren't you scared?
I know.
What?
What's your name?
I'm James.
James.
Yeah.
James Bond.
Yeah, James Bond. Cheers. I am done with Stanford. This is my last stop. This is where I was. Whoa. There are snakes here. Okay, it's a good thing I saw this afterwards. Anyways. Cheers. See you guys, eh? Have a good day. Oh, those guys actually helped me take care of my car whilst I was rowing. Now, I think I'm gonna have lunch in Hermanus, and then after Hermanus, I'm gonna head straight back home through Clarence Drive. Oh, my second favorite drive in Cape Town. Okay, let's go. Beautiful drive there. So I had my lunch in a cave, this restaurant called Bientang's Cave. I definitely did not say that right. It's located right next to the sea, which makes it a perfect spot for whale watching. Unfortunately, I wasn't there long enough to see any whales. They have a fairly diverse menu with mostly seafood, but I'm not a big fan of seafood, so I just went for their burger, which is really good. After lunch, I chilled for a bit and then set off on the last leg of the day, Clarence Drive. Like I said earlier, Clarence Drive is my second favorite drive in South Africa, with number 1 being Chapman's Peak Drive, which connects Newdock to Hout Bay. My favorite thing about Clarence Drive is the length. It starts off in Kleinrivier and finishes off in Gordons Bay, making it about 50 kilometers long. And there's lots of highlights along the route, but we're gonna explore those another time. I'm just really tired. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I always forget to say this, but if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. YouTube really likes that. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or video ideas. I'm all open. Okay, you have a good day.